I built a trash robot. It's Trashy. I want to show you cool things it could do before I throw it away. Why am I throwing it away? I just made it. Well, there's 3 reasons. Trashy follows me around to clean the world and automatically recycles to save the environment. That's where I messed up. Instead of doing one thing well, I picked 2 things and half-assed them both. I designed around the recycling mechanism, which made Trashy top-heavy and unstable, plus very complex. Rather than one really good camera and motor system, I built 2 camera systems and 2 motor systems, both in hardware and in software. I spent so much time building the recycling system, I neglected the bottom motors, and they're too weak. I also am running out of room with the 2 systems, so it's time for a redesign. I thought it would be funny and convenient to build Trashy out of trash I had lying around, so I designed the whole build around scrap materials, and it ended up being less convenient, working around the limitations of what I had. Plus, I had to design so many custom 3D printed parts to hold it all together. Things broke, I ended up using more parts than I needed, with less power than I wanted, spending a lot more time than starting from scratch. Saving a couple bucks wasn't worth the hours of extra effort. On the other hand, it does give some extra character, but overall I think the LED eyes is what draws the focus. If I slapped them on a simpler box, it would be a way better robot. This is my favorite topic. I started with these buttons, which were a mess to wire and not that stable or convenient. I ended up wanting more buttons, so I made an app, Trash App. It's so convenient since I always have my phone on me and it pairs via Bluetooth. There's over 20 commands, which beats the 4 buttons that I started with. And I can turn on and off autonomous mode remotely. My favorite interface is talking to Trashy, using speech to text and executing the keywords automatically. For version 2, I'm doubling down on Trash App, automation, and beefier motors. To make room for that, I'm deleting recycling. I also want it to be a lot bigger and stronger to bring it hiking. Thank you for listening to my trash talk. If you want to see Trashy 2, subscribe.